Hi guys, welcome to the Flash channel, and today we're going to be discussing sets. So a set is just like an array or a list, but it is unordered. It doesn't have any index, and it cannot contain duplicates. If you push or insert something inside it that is already there, it won't put it again. So that's the beauty of a set. So you cannot um, directly get the value. So set has no method to extract a set element. So you need to loop through a set and get the value that you wanted, or I mean programmatically, or you could do something else. And then a set element can't be updated. There's no update. You can only delete and add. And then a set has no index since it is, it's not a typo there. It is an unordered list. Okay. And then here's the reference. And let's discuss the common methods. So we have add. So adds an element. Add all. It's a sort of copy all. So adds all of the elements in the specified list or set. So you can use set as well or list to the set if they are not already present. And then it returns true if the original set has changed. If it's complicated, guys, don't worry. I'll give a concrete example later. And then contains, so it's the find just like in a list. And then, yeah, it returns a Boolean true or false. Contains all. It's just the find all version, just like it contains. And then equals is sort of another variation of find all. And then remove, remove a specific uh, element in the set. You just need to specify the actual element or set element, and then remove all. So it removes all the element that you specified or set. And then retain is the other way around. It retains what you wanted and remove the others. And this three, same as with the list, it has a clear, an empty, and a size. Clear deletes everything, is empty, checks if the set is empty, and then size returns the size of the elements in the list, or rather in the set. And then clone is basically duplicates the copy of a set, and and for a set you cannot use deep clone. There's no method for deep clone. All right. So yeah, that's the introduction to set. And on the next um, topic, we'll discuss how to um, do a declaration for set. So stick around, guys. Thanks. Welcome back, guys. So this is the variations in how you declare a set. So the first one is this one. Looks like the same in a list. The only difference is this keywords set. So this will actually create an empty set. So let's go ahead and try this one. So let's paste the code, then execute. As you can see, it has an empty set. I don't know if you have noticed that a set has a curly bracket while the list is parentheses. So that's also a difference between the two. Next is this variation. So it is the same as with the list. So let's go ahead and try it. So the only difference, if you put something that is a duplicate, it will not actually duplicate. It will neglect the other one. There's only one south that you'll see. So let's execute. So only one south that is registered. And as you can see, guys, it is unordered. And you can also do this if you want to create an empty set by using the curly brackets. That will also work. So let's just go ahead and try it. All right, it works. Okay, and then the last one. So copy a set using the set constructor. You can also copy a list. So this is the syntax. So let's just copy both. So less typing. All right, you can actually pause the video and try it yourself, guys. So let me just run it. Okay, so we have duplicated the same list, as you can see right here. All right, so these are the variations when you actually create a list. So next up, we will demo some common list methods. So stick around, guys. Thanks. All right, guys, we're back. So we will demo some list examples. So the first one is add. So basically, it will just add a an element on the list. So let's just copy this one. Okay, and then remember that it will not allow duplicates. So the first add is unique. The second one isn't because we already have ace of clubs. So let's just run it to see the result. Go to debug only. So yeah, there's only one ace of clubs. Even if you inserted another one, you'll still retain just one. All right. By the way, guys, use case for this one, probably with Salesforce IDs. If you don't want to allow duplicates, then you can make a list. And then this one, add all. So this one right here is copy all if not present in set. So we've created another set here. And then we've copied cards to another set rather. And then it returns if there's changes. This will be true if there are changes on the another cards here. Okay. So let's just execute it. Go here, and there's a change because the first value is empty, as you can see right here. All right, and then next is contains all. So let's just find it. Okay, find all. So basically, it will just retain or return a Boolean value. So contains all if they are able to find all the values here on cards as well. So it should return true. Okay, it returned true. And then equal. So it's kind of like the same for contains all. So let me just try to close this. All right. Then we're gonna be running it and check the result. So you'll get the same thing, true. Then contains. So this one is just like finding a specific stuff, like a specific element on the list. So if it finds the actual list that you're looking for, it will give you a true value. If not, you're going to be getting a false value, just like this. Then we have this common ones, remove and delete. Start with remove. So basically, it will just, remove a list, a specific list that you've specified from the set. Execute. There you go. So if there's a change, then it will say true. All right. So let's just go to the actual code. So remove ace of clubs. Let's check it out, or we can just close it. There's no more ace of clubs here. All right, and lastly, the clear. So it basically deletes all, the same as with the list. Okay, so let's just run this guy right here. All right. Size is 0. All right, there you have it, guys. So I'll show you the other one, so it's a lot easier to see. All right, that is the methods, common methods for set. So on the next tutorial, we're going to be discussing how clone works in set. So stick around. Thanks. Hello guys, welcome to the continuation of our set tutorial. So we'll be discussing clone. So you can clone two things in set, primitive data types and then the S objects. So let's start cloning a primitive data type. So for this one, it only copies the set elements. And by the way, you cannot update set elements. You can only delete them. All right, so let's just paste this example and run it. So for this one, it will merely clone the values from my wishes to your wishes. All right, so notice the curly brackets right there. That's a set. All right, next is cloning a set with object S object type. It will copy all the fields. So let's just try it. So for this one, we're going to be creating again or inserting again a record and then clone that record. Let me just copy this guy here and close that. Okay, so let's just probably refresh the list here just to be sure we don't have any duplicates. All right, no duplicates, so let's run the code. So basically it will create this one, Tom Horn, and then it will put that particular record in this set 1, and then set 1 is gonna be cloned and placed inside set 2, and both of them will get the same exact data. So let's just execute the code first. Hopefully there are no errors. Okay, and then refresh the recently viewed contact list. Should be getting the Tom Horn right there. And then the result. So both set 1 and set 2 contains the same exact data. All right, so not much drama in the clone. Those are the stuff that you can do when it comes to set. All right, next up, we're going to be showing you, or I'm going to be showing you how to actually extract values from a set. So stick around, guys. Thanks. Welcome back, guys. So today, or rather, the continuation of our tutorial, we will actually show you how to extract values from a set. So I know we haven't discussed loops yet, or if statement, but It's just pretty easy to follow, okay? So I'm just gonna copy this code and then simply paste it here, and then we'll try to simplify some things. So we have a set here, which is just a color. We get red, blue, brown, pink, and silver. Then we have a string here that will extract the color. Then let's copy the statement. And then we will loop in this set here, the color set, and then pass each iteration value in C, which is a string. So the trick here, so whatever is the data type inside your set, the data type here should be the same so that you won't get any error. And then inside it is your if statement. So what are the value that you need to extract? Say brown. So if C is equal to brown, it will put the value of brown in what color, the string named what color. And then break simply exits the loop because I believe it goes like this. Iteration 1, 2, and 3. Is it brown? Yes, break. Get out the loop. So it won't waste time looking for the other two because you already found what you need. So it cuts down the time, CPU time. And then it will say, what color is your Bugatti? It will tell you it's brown. Okay? So that's the first variation. So let me just execute it. What color is your Bugatti? It's brown. Okay? And then I'm gonna be showing you the other variation, which is this one, variation 2. So this one is a bit different, a bit simplified. So again, it's the same exact string, the color. Then I'm gonna be creating or converting the color to a list. There you have it. And then I'm gonna look for the index that has the color brown, which is 0, 1, 2. So this one. And then stuck it in the index value, which is of course an integer. And then show the color here by getting the color from the color index that I have created here. And then it will show you the color basically. So let's just execute it. What color is your Bugatti? It's brown. All right, guys. So there you have it. Hope you enjoyed our tutorial and learned something new about sets. And then hope you enjoyed those little jokes there. Okay. All right, guys. See you on our next tutorial. Have a good one, guys. Bye bye, and thank you.